Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova 10 SE. In this video I'll show you how to manage Huawei Wallet. In the beginning let's enter Wallet, and as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can manage your payments cards, loyalty cards and gift cards. If you press the plus button in the top right corner, you can add the cards and coupons. In tickets, you can add your coupons to the account. Also from the homepage, you can do the same thing. If you go to Me section, you can enter your Huawei ID, check your Huawei points, personal info, account security, payment and purchases, you can enable or disable cloud, find device, check for updates, and check about the app. Also you can go to Help and Privacy Center. In Settings, you can set up payment PIN, payment verification method, and in More settings, you can manage notifications. Also, you can check for updates from this menu. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.